In the straight lines, most important long answer questions. Okay, after circumcenter and orthocenter, one of the most important question and board model paper question for 2021 and 2022. Here given question is, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 1 comma 2 and making an angle of 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. 2 equals to 0. Okay, so now here what is given in this given point? I am taking the given point here. So given point is equals to P of 1 comma 2 is a point, and angle is given here. Angle is given. Angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. Angle theta is equal to 60 degrees, and the line equation is given, that is root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Equals to 0. I am taking this as equation number 1. Now find the slope of this. Slope of the line. Slope m is equals to minus a by b, minus x coefficient by y coefficient. That is minus root 3 by 1. That means minus root 3. This is the slope of the line. Okay. So we don't know the slope of the required line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through this point and making angle 60 degrees with the line. So that means, okay, if you want, I'll give you the rough diagram here. Okay, so here we have one line. I have one line. I have one more line. Okay, so like this, another line. Okay, so between these two lines, we have angle of 60 degrees. Between these two, angle of 60 degrees. Okay, and this is the equation 1. Okay, I am taking this as equation number 1. Now, what about this equation? We don't know this equation, and we don't know the slope of this equation. I am taking the slope of this equation as m or m1 or m2. Okay, if we consider the slope of this line as m1, I am taking this as m2. Taking this as m2. Okay, or m also. Even we can take as m. Okay. So now this line is passing through some point 1 comma 2. P of 1 comma 2 is the point here. Okay, so now we have to take the formula angle between the two lines. Angle between the two lines, tan theta is equals to angle between the two lines, then tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by under 1 plus m1 into m2. This is the formula here. Okay, so whatever the values are given, we have to substitute the values. Okay, even theta value is also given in this. Theta value is also given in this, so we will substitute the value. Tan 60 is equals to tan 60 degrees is equals to m1. What is m1 here? So m1 is minus root 3 minus root 3 minus m1 minus m2 divided by, okay, 1 plus m1 minus root 3 into m2. That means m2 only. Okay, take okay, tan 60 value. What is tan 60 value? Tan 60. What is tan 60, ma? Sin by cos. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. So it is root 3. Root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So minus of, we can write it as root 3 plus m2. Root 3 plus m2 whole divided by 1 minus m2 into root 3. Take these two left side. Okay, so then root 3 into 1 minus root 3 into m2 is equals to modulus of minus of m2 plus root 3 or root 3 plus m2. Okay, so root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus root 3 into root 3, that is 3m2 is equals to, you can remove the whenever we have modulus, we can take it positive or negative. So I'm take it as it is, otherwise m2 plus root 3, m2 plus root 3. If we remove the modulus, we get the plus or minus. We get the plus or minus, or you can square on both sides also. Okay, so better to square on both sides. Here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. If we square on both sides, then root 3 plus 3m2 whole square is equals to, okay, modulus is removed and minus also becomes plus, m2 plus root 3. For this we get square, and this minus sign and all these becomes positive. All these becomes positive. Okay, so now we get a square. Okay, then it becomes root 3 whole square a square plus b square, that is 3m2 whole square, 3m2 whole square b square plus 2ab, 2 into a root 3 b 3m2 is equals to m2 square plus root 3 whole square plus 2ab, 2 into m2 into root 3, 2 into m2 into root 3. Okay, so square and root gets cancelled here, square and root gets cancelled here. Okay, so now 3 as it is, we are getting 3 m2 whole square. 3m2 whole square is 9 into m2 square plus 2 3 is a 6 root 3 into m2 is equals to m2 square plus root 3 whole square becomes 3 and 2 root 3 into m2. 2 root 3 into m2. Send all the terms to one side so that we get a 9 m2 square plus 6 root 3 m2 plus 3. Taking them left side, minus m2 whole square minus 3 minus 2 root 3 into m2 is equal to 0. Okay, simplify here, 9 m2 square minus m2 square, it is 8 m2 square. 6 root 3 m2 minus 2 root 3 m2,
minus 2 root 3 m2.
4 root 3 m2, right? And 3 minus 3.
3.
Okay, plus 3 minus 3 only. Can we cancel?
Yes.
I think
Yes.
we can cancel, right? Okay, so plus 3
Yes,
and
sir.
minus 3 gets cancelled. Any more terms? Okay, simplify these two terms and these two terms. Okay, that's it. No more. Okay, is equals to 0. Take 4 and m2. 4 m2 common. Then remaining m2, 4 2s are 2 m2 plus 4 and m2 common means root 3 is equals to 0. That means 4 m2 is equals to 0. 4 m2 is equal to 0, or 2 m2 plus root 3 is equal to 0. Here m2 is equal to 0, or 2 m2 is equals to minus root 3, and m2 is equals to minus root 3 by 2.
Minus root 3 by 2.
Okay, here the slope values are 0 or root 3 by 2. The slope values are either 0 or root 3 by 2. Here squaring on both sides. We are squaring on both sides. Okay, if we square on both sides,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
okay, maybe a little bit network issue. Okay, so here squaring on both sides, root 3 minus 3m2 whole square,
Square
is equals to modulus of. Okay, so if we square the modulus and minus, then it becomes plus m2 plus root 3 and whole square and whole square. Okay, so now we have to apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula. Then a square means root 3 whole square plus 3m2 whole square minus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into 3m2 minus 2ab, okay, is equals to m2 square plus root 3 whole square plus 2ab, 2 into m2 into root 3. Okay, so now root 3 whole square becomes 3 plus 3 square 9 m2 square minus 2 3s are 6 root 3 m2, okay, is equals to m2 square plus root 3 whole square is 3 plus 2 root 3 m2, 2 root 3 m2. Take all the terms to one side. 9 plus 9m2 square, 3 plus 9m2 square, minus 6 root 3 m2 minus m2 square minus 3 minus 2 root 3 m2 is equal to 0. Okay. 9m2 square minus m2 square, that is 8m2 square, minus 6 root 3 m2 minus 2 root 3 m2, that is minus 8 root 3 m2, minus 8 root 3 m2. Okay.
M2.
So now here plus 3 minus 3 we can cancel. Okay, we simplified these two as well as these two. Okay, so now what we can take common equals to 0. So 8m2 is common. 8m2 common means remaining m2 and minus root 3. Minus root 3 is equal to
Root 3.
0. Okay, so that means 8m2 is equal to 0 or m2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Okay,
0.
m2 is equal to 0 by 8 is equals to 0.
0.
m2 is equals to root 3. m2 is equals to root 3
Root
or
3.
m2 is equal to 0. Here we got the slope as well as point. When we know the slope and point, okay, case 1 and case 2 will simplify now. Okay, so now case 1 I am taking. What is case 1? Case 1, slope m2 is equals to 0 and point is equals
Point.
to p of 1 comma 2 is a given point, right? 1 comma 2 is a point. Okay, 1 comma 2. Okay, so then the equation of the line for slope point form, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, m into x minus x1,
X1.
y minus y1 2 is equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, 0 into something is 0, y minus 2 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2. Either you can write like this or like this. Okay, anyone. Okay, next I am taking the case 2 here. I am taking the case 2. Okay, so what is case 2 here? Slope m2 is equals to, what is slope here? Root 3 is the slope. Root 3 is the slope. Okay, and point is 1 comma 2. Now take the formula here. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, m into x minus x1. Now y minus y1 is 2 is equals to m into root 3 into x minus x1, root 3 into x, root 3x minus root 3, y minus 2. Take these terms to right side. Take these terms to right side. So root 3x minus root 3 minus y plus 2 equal to 0. So final answer is root 3 minus y. Okay, so plus 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 equal to 0. Therefore,
Root 3.
the required lines. Therefore, the required equations. The required equations. What is given in the question? Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point and making an angle 60 degrees with the given line. Required equations. What are the required equations? Just write the equations. Okay, one is y minus 2 equal to 0, or we can write as root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 is equals to 0. Okay, so here this is one equation, or otherwise one more equation is root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3 equal to 0. Okay, these are the. For more educational videos on CBSE, ISE, State Board and Intermediate as well as IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET, please like, share, subscribe our Veda online classes. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.